What's going on, guys? Today I went down to the department store and was trying to look for some RC stuff, figuring it was the holidays being here, there'd be more RC stuff for sale in my area, and it didn't appear to be anything there, guys. I mean, just nothing, not even a drone, just nothing. But I did manage to find something RC. It was cheap too. I think this was on clearance for like $10, so it was really cheap. And it is an RC, so it is kind of like an RC. You can see this. It says RC. So I just got it just to mess around with. So we'll just look at the box really quick, just real quick, just a clearance buy. It does take batteries, and I have them here, so I want to try it as well with you guys. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Alright, so inside here. This thing don't want to come out. Okay. Wow, this thing has nice manuals. I wonder how much this thing originally cost. I believe it said $30. That is way too much for this, but I didn't pay that, so this package really nice, guys. Look at this. The packaging is done really well. So let's go ahead and pull this open. There's the top part. Transmitter. Looks like infrared. So you got up, down, left, and right. Battery. Infrared sensor there. And then we take the droid out itself. Man, this feels actually heavy. We got these little antennas that go on there too. They're just for show. Somewhere on here these go. Yeah, I see where they go. Pretty simple to put in. Let me just pop these in. See, right here's where these things go in. Here. Okay, that one's in, and then we got this one. And then there's this one on the bottom. So that's how these are going in. So it looks like that after. Detail looks pretty good. Feels really heavy on the inside. Does not feel cheap at all. Feels really heavy, guys. Where do the batteries go in? Oh, right there. So let's get a screwdriver and open that up real quick. Right here. Let's go ahead and open this. load them in. Pretty simple. Alright, let me put this back on real quick. Oh, man, I'm already breaking this toy already. Popped off, didn't break. There we go. And all the batteries just came out. So let me do this off camera. Alright guys, got the batteries inside there. It got them in the transmitter too. It didn't want to board you. There was nothing special about it, so there's no need for me to tell you anything or show you how the battery's going, because there was no special way for them to go in, just a typical way. Wow. Alright, so let's take him out to the living room and see what he does. But before we do, let's go ahead and look at him one more time. Feels really heavy, guys. It's got like this. Is there like some sort of sensor right here or something? It's got this button here, guys. It's like almost invisible. See it? I'm not really sure what this does. Oh, that turns him off. And turning him on, there he is. Now he's on. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. So this is the on and off button. The transmitter itself does not have a on and off button. It's always on. You know how the infrared works. And that's it. It's almost like he's got like this sensor here or something. I'm not sure. Might be the light interfering because it is infrared. So let's go ahead and take this little guy for a spin. This manual's pretty good here. It's not bad. Let's put this over here real fast. So I guess, yeah, see how he moves by himself? So I guess you might want to go through that manual. I'm gonna have to, just to see what he does. But so far it feels pretty good, guys. So let's take him out. Alright, so I got it all set up real quick. Let's go ahead and turn this guy back on. So the on and off button is right there. It's kind of like blended in, hidden. You just tap it, it turns on. Hold it, long press it to turn it off. This guy's very stable. So let's go ahead and put the cap on. See what this little guy does. Man. Oops. Yeah. Little guy fell. Let's go back. Let's see if I can get some better lighting. I need more light. It's awful late. Wow, look at that. Alright guys, that's pretty much the end of this one. Not a bad little toy for 10 bucks. Considering it said $30 for this thing, that's a little expensive. That's just too expensive, but it feels really, really heavy, guys. They got like some sort of weight in this thing. I mean, if I were to launch this thing at someone's head, they'd probably knock out. This thing's pretty heavy. Not bad. Not a little bad toy for 10 bucks. I don't know about 30 though. It's kind of basic. But I guess you know how Star Wars stuff is. So, not bad. See that? Certain times when I touch it, it like moves. I don't know. It like reacts to my movement or something. I'm not sure how that. I don't know. Maybe it just does that every once in a while. Just don't forget the on and off button is right here, guys. It's almost blended in, but you can see it popping out a little bit more. And then right here, just make sure you don't block its sensor. That's where it's getting its commands from the transmitter right there. So right here is where its transmitter is, so you don't want to like cover that up or nothing. You also don't want to use it in a lot of light because of the way it receives its commands through the infrared. It's like the way you use for your television set. So that's pretty much the end, guys. I like it. Pretty decent toy. Not too bad. Not bad for 10 bucks. So I'll be back, guys, with some more stuff. So thanks a lot for watching.